save a current course to your resources in Schoology. My resources is kind of like a personal storage unit or library for anything that you've made in Schoology or that you've uploaded to Schoology. In fact, anything that you can add here in any of these can be added to your resources. So let's go ahead and click on our resources folder at the very top of the screen. First thing that I want us to do here is to create a new collection. These collections are places like larger folders where you can store and categorize the things that you save throughout the years. So I want to create a new one, so I'm going to click this button up here that says Add Collection. This new collection is going to say, let's call it New Saved Courses. So here we see that there's a New Saved Courses collection in my Schoology. Now I want to add a new folder so I can keep it organized. I'm going to title this folder 2020-21 school year. And you can change the color of the folder. You can add any of these description options to the text as well. Okay, so now I've created a new collection. I've created a new folder within that collection to help me organize that collection. Now I want to go back to my course, and I want to save this course here to my resources because I'm going to teach this class again next semester, and I don't want to have to start from scratch. In order to do that, I can come up here to where it says Add Materials. I can come up here to where it says Options and click Save to Resources. Let's go ahead and click on that. And it's going to give you the option for you to choose where you want to save this in your resources. So I'm going to go to that new collection that I created called New Saved Courses. Within that collection, I have one folder, and it's for this school year. I'm going to submit, and then I'm going to go to my resources page to make sure that it went to the correct spot. So let's click back up here on Resources. Go to your new collection and the 2021 school year. I'm going to click on this because this was the name of my course. It should say the name of your course here as well. And here we are. Everything that was in that class that I just added to resources is now saved to my resources folder. Now let's say it is now January 2021. I'm about to start teaching a whole new set of classes that I've already taught, but thankfully I now have resources from those previous courses. So all I have to do is pull them from my resources page, add them to my new class, and then change the dates and make sure I categorize them into which grading category they fall into, and we will be good to go. So let's now go to my new class. This is going to be January 2021. I have a brand new class, nothing in it yet. I don't have to come in here anymore and add these folders, add brand new assignments, because I've already made them. They are in my resources. So I'm simply going to import here from my resource folder. Go to the folder we created in our collections. Go to that folder there, and we can do this one of two ways here. If we clicked on this button here and clicked Import, this would show up in your Schoology classroom. You'd have to click into it in the classroom to access all of this stuff here. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do this. So all of these will just appear directly on your materials page and not in a larger folder. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to import X amount of items to this course? And I want to. And here we go. Your new course now has all of the assignments, the tests, the quizzes, the discussions, anything you've uploaded, the videos from YouTube. All of them are now here in your new Schoology classroom. let's look in one of these folders here to see what will need to be changed. This is a standard assignment here. I created this assignment by went to materials, add assignment, did this last semester. So now what I want to do is I want to make sure I go in here and change the due date. Let's say it's going to be due Tuesday, January 5th. I'll add a grading category. I don't have any set up yet, but by this point in time you should have some grading categories set up. And then you can choose from any of these options below. Click Save Changes. And that's all you have to do. It's a pretty simple process, pretty straightforward. And there are a lot of other cool things that we can do with our resources folder, and I'm going to make other videos for that, so stay tuned.